just arrived to the GWK Garuda Wisnu Kencana parking area, however you call that, and they have a very fancy stuff like this. Anyway, today is the first day as they open. I mean, you will see this video tomorrow, but it's today. Now the parking area is so huge over here, as you can see everywhere. Yeah, we will go and see by the red bus I saw on the way. It must be super cool. It's a lot of changes already, a lot of changes. Alright, so just arrived to the GWK and they said as they close at 5. I'm so late today, I'm so sorry about that. Oh my god. Don't worry, I will come back any other day. Actually it's 5:15, so disappointing, but yeah. So just arrived to the park which belongs to the GWK, some local people chilling around. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Still a lot of places are closed. This is actually the area over here where it's abandoned. That was the old plans of GWK. Now literally everything looks completely different than before. Yeah, however, probably I will talk more about GWK whenever I'm gonna come, maybe tomorrow or next few days, because, well, my mistake, I'm so sorry about that, I'm late. However, I have one thing, I bought today the new thing, the new toy, I will show you now, which is this one, the new skateboard. So as you can see, this is my new ride. I'm a little bit excited, like a small kid. Unfortunately, I have not much experience of driving on the skateboard, so I will try to learn a little bit now. I think it's still quite a big audience, I'm not sure, maybe I'm too shy, but in the next few vlogs soon you will see me cruising on this thing. So, balancing, reached them up, but now driving is a little bit more difficult, we will see. As you can see, will be a lot of fun. I need to practice first, little bit. It's getting better, I didn't fall down, at least not yet. So as you can see, this is not as easy how it looks on the YouTube videos. However, after a few days I will be good with that. So a few words about the skateboard. I bought this custom made in Bali this afternoon. This is mostly because I'm late for today's vlog, so I decided I will have to talk a little bit about that. If you are not interested, I'm so sorry. However, this is the board. This looks like this, tropical vibe, red, orange, pinkish, I don't know why it's pinkish color on the other side. Big wheels, as you can see, it's called Globe. I'm not sure if it's original or not, however it's called Globe, and it sells Melbourne, Los Angeles and Hossegor. I don't know where it's Hossegor. Anyway, big wheels. So this is the cruiser board, 26 inch, very portable. So basically I can travel with this board, and I can even ride in the airports, at least at some airports. I'm not sure if Bali will be okay. I'm not sure even if I'm gonna try in Indonesia, but in other countries, especially in the United States, will be no problems at all. Easy to carry, it's quite light. I think it's about 2 kg, maybe up to 3 kg. Very solid, very soft, wide wheels, so will be very good to cruise in. And basically I'm planning to cruise using this board, making vlogs in Kuta, Legian, Sanur, and sometimes in the hotels and everywhere. It depends how I gonna drive it. So I'm just stuck next to McDonald's on the traffic junction in Jimbaran. If you're familiar with the area, you know the lights over here are very long, red. Oh, it's green. Anyway, as you know, it's already December and GWK it's open. Also new club, I mean the club is not new, it's established last year. It's called Cafe Del Mar. Yes, they're exactly Cafe Del Mar like in the Ibiza, it's in Bali. It's reopening again. It's actually reopened yesterday. I think we're gonna go over the weekend there. So now few places are starting to be reopening, especially in December. Also one other club, actually the name now is different, but was very famous, gonna be open after Christmas, during actually on the Boxing Day, Christmas time, New Year's, and after that they planning to keep opening over the weekends. And many other places, clubs, bars, some hotels, like big hotels like W Seminyak and some others, they are opening in December. They are already open or will be open in next few days. Actually it's quite busy. I passed on the way to GWK. I passed the Ole shop, Krishna and other ones, which is the shops for local people mostly with merchandise, because the tradition of Indonesian people, I think all Asian people, is that if they are coming, let's say to Bali, or you go to Jakarta or any other place for holiday, you should buy some gifts to the family. Mostly it's the coffee, sweets or magnets, t-shirts, stuff like this. So let's say you're living somewhere in different island, you're coming to Bali, you should buy something to your family. This is the local tradition. So there is very busy, many cars, also many buses, but obviously they are all local people, domestic people. That's very good. I mean, it's really good. I'm so happy to see people start coming to Bali, even they are domestic. It's definitely much more busier than few months ago what I was showing you around. Also in GWK was quite many cars, of course not as busy like used to be, and same in Tanah Lot, what I showed the video last time was quite busy. Somebody commented, yeah, it's still quiet. Yes, it's still quiet to compare to international when the borders are open and it's so many people, but definitely it's much more busier than it used to be just 2 months ago. Just in Indomaret, top up the toll card, because if you're driving on motorway, and I'm gonna show you after that, in Bali you have to have a special prepaid toll card. You cannot pay by cash anymore, and also you cannot pay by your debit card, even if it's contactless or something. You have to just have a special prepaid toll card. So I just top up it, and this is the shop next to Nusa Dua, in Indomaret next to Nusa Dua, and I was just reminds me something. Remember when we was with Winnie in Nusa Dua, I wanted to go to the beach, and the security said that you are not allowed to go anywhere. I read a few days ago, actually I forgot to mention before, I read few days ago an article in the local press And there was on the main page was as the Nusa Dua Bali is planning to be the first place in the world, not only in Bali or in Indonesia or Southeast Asia. They're planning to be the first place in the world as this current stuff free. Basically they said if you wanna come to Nusa Dua, you will have to take a dedicated transport. They will probably, the hotels there, they will have a dedicated transport from the airport or wherever you're coming from. Also they will test you for this stuff, and basically you will be only allowed to walk around this complex of Nusa Dua, the closed complex. That must be for the safety reason. Of course, this is gonna be an area zone free from that stuff. However, you cannot go anywhere else. So that's only the plans, and I read in the local press. If I'm gonna find the article, I will put somewhere on the screen. Can you see this beautiful gate? This is the Buddhist temple in Denpasar. It's very beautiful place, especially at that time. Like, it's not really night, but it's already very dark. Actually, I don't know much story about this Buddhist temple. However, it's beautiful. I really always impressed about that. Actually, I was only once here during the Chinese New Year, two or 3 years ago, and I was really impressed about that. I will make a few shots to show you guys around. Here is the Buddha. It's changing color, super cool. As you can see, it's really very beautiful place here. Sorry. And the entrance here is obviously free. You don't need to pay completely anything. If you're interested to visit this place one day on the way from Benoa, Nusa Dua to Denpasar, Sanur, wherever, you can come here and make a few shots. Of course, this is Buddhist temple, so you have to respect the local, the Buddhist culture. Whenever you go inside the temple over here to the building, you have to take off the shoe. So look who is next to me now. I just come back. Today's vlog little bit different, little bit about everything and nothing, but this is how it looks actually a real daily vlog. You know guys, every single day is something. I'm not directing anything. Why are you doing faces like this, honey? By the way, I bought the new skateboard, honey, today. What do you think?
Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Where are you gonna play with that?
Everywhere. In our living room. No, I'm on the streets now. You proud of me, honey? You proud of me?
I have no clue. Maybe.
Honey, honestly, this is directing already. Be honest.
Ah, okay. It's okay.
Are you mad at me, honey? So, are you mad at me, honey?
No.
Do you still love me?
Yes.
Really? So you're not mad at me? Oh. I will say, kiss me, but this is public place. You are not allowed. Honey, I can see. I can see. Okay. I think that's it for today's vlog. If we divorce tomorrow, so I'm so sorry, but I think
No way.
you still love me the same, yeah? You proud of me if I will be a skater like a Tony Hawk, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright,
alright.
so I'm already hungry actually, and then my food's gonna come soon. Thank you guys for watching our videos.
Actually, my video today.
Okay, his video and then about his skateboard. Okay, I hope that this is not skateboard or board. Like board. Okay.
Okay,
thank you for
something
watching
new
and
tomorrow. See you, take care. See you, take care.